Good morning, student. Today again we will take draw angle classes. Today we will draw how to draw 75 degree, 105 degree and 110 degree. First let me start to draw 175 degree. To draw 75 degree, first we take a line segment. These are 2 points A and B. On point B, we are going to draw 75 degree angle. First, we take an arc from 0 degree. We take first 60 degree arc, second 120 degree arc. Now we will draw 90 degree angle from 120 degree and 60 degree. To draw 75 degree, this is an acute angle. We take an arc, same arc from 60 degree and same arc from 90 degree. Let me take a point and draw this point to P. This angle shows 75 degree. You can check this angle, 75 degree. In second case, we will draw 105 degree. To draw 105 degree, again we will take line segment AB. On point B, we will draw an arc from 0 degree. We will take 60 degree, 120 degree, and both of the point we take arc and draw 90 degree. To draw 105 degree, we take first arc from 120 degree, second one is 90 degree. Take a point, join from point P. It shows 105 degree. This is 105 degree angle. At last, I am going to draw 110 degree. See carefully. Take 2 points A and B. Draw an arc from point B. From 0 degree, same we will take 60 degree, 120 degree and draw 90 degree. To draw 110 degree, we take an arc not from this point. We take an arc from this point. Same arc from this point. Upper part of the 90 degree like this. You just see carefully this point. Okay. We will draw this arc from this point. Same arc from this point. And second arc, we will take this distance from 0 degree to 90 degree. We will take this arc. Take distance from 0 degree to 90 degree. This arc distance and take an arc from 120 degree. From 120 degree. Pick a point and then this line. It shows 110 degree. Let me check it. This is the 110 degree angle. Students, I want to show something to here, that 75 degree, it means 90 degree plus 60 degree upon 2 means 150 degree upon 2 means 75 degree. So it shows like this here. In 105 degree, 90 degree plus 120 degree upon 2 means 210 degree upon 2 means 105 degree. So we take first arc from 90 degree, second from 120 degree. But in case of 110 degree, it means 20 degree plus 90 degree means 110 degree. 20 degree means the distance from here, from this angle. So we take the distance from 0 degree to this one. 90 degree it shows to here, and both of the condition it shows 110 degree. I hope you will draw. This is your homework also. You will draw 75 degree, 105 degree and 110 degree carefully at your home. Okay, good luck.